Hello everyone, welcome to QUIZZZ-job YouTube channel. Number system. Today we are discussing about number system. We know this is the basic chapter for mathematics in mathematics, and for every competitive exam we get maximum 2-3 questions from this. So we have to remember this topic clearly. So we have to learn first basics. We have to start from basics. What is number system? A number system is just a way we group and classify all numbers. Example: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, real, and complex. We have to discuss all this clearly and in detail. So, what are the key things to remember? Every natural number is a whole number, integer, rational, and real numbers. So, every natural number is whole, integer, rational, and real. Next, real numbers plus imaginary numbers equal to complex numbers. In complex numbers, real numbers plus imaginary numbers also give. We use real numbers 99% in our daily life. Next, what is natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. There is no particular number. It is endless. They continue forever. Important points in natural numbers are: smallest natural number is 1 and largest natural number. There is no largest natural number. Natural numbers do not include fractions, decimal, or negative numbers. Next one, whole numbers. We know whole numbers include 0. Here the definition is whole numbers are 0 and all the natural numbers. Whole numbers, example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. There is no endpoint for whole numbers also. It is infinity. They continue forever, like natural numbers, but it includes 0. Smallest whole number here, it is 0. Largest whole number is, there is no n, so there is no largest whole number. Whole numbers do not include negative numbers, fractions, or decimals, same like natural numbers, but it includes 0. That's it. Next, integers. Integer, you can say this a line diagram which is 0, 1, 2, 3 at right hand side and left hand side negative points. This is called, this is an example for integers. Integers are all positive numbers, all negative numbers, and including 0. You can see example here. Integers. These are integers. Types of integers: positive integers, numbers greater than 0 are positive integers. Example 1, 2, 3. Negative integers, numbers less than 0 like -1, -2, -3, which are in left side. And third one is 0. 0 is an integer. It is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. Important points for integers are: smallest integer, no smallest integer in this, and no largest integer in this. So because they are infinite. Integers do not include fractions or decimals here. Next, even and odd topic. Even numbers and odd numbers, Even numbers are if you can divide the chocolates equally people. It is example. So here we can see one example. If you can divide the chocolates equally between two people and one are left, it's an even number. 2 chocolates, 1 each. 4 chocolates, 2 each. 8 chocolates, 4 each. It is simply divisible by 2. Which is divisible by 2? It is a even number. Which cannot be divisible by 2. It is 2. and which is not divisible by 2 is called as odd number. Simply 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are two divisibilities. Here we can say 0 is also included even number. In odd numbers 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, which is not divisible by 2. Next one is prime number. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors. One, the number itself. First, the prime number is easily 2, 3, 5, 7, which has only two factors. Exactly two factors. Example, if it is 2, we can multiply with 1 ones are, sorry, 1 twos are 2 and 2 ones are 2. That's it. And example 3 is also 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 threes are 3. That's it. So it is a, these are our first 25 prime numbers. Next, composite number, which is opposite to prime number. A composite number is a number that has more than two factors. We know 4 has more than two factors. 1 fours are 4, 2 4, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4. There are three factors. So first the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, up to so on. Proprimes or relative types. Proprimes numbers are two numbers whose only common factor is 1. Another way to say this, highest common factor is 1. Example, 8 and 15. Here, example is 8 and 15. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Common factor is only 1. You know, in these two factors, only one common factor is there, 1 in both numbers. So it is co-prime number, which is common in both numbers. Twin prime numbers, a pair of prime numbers is called twin prime numbers. If both numbers are prime and their differences is 2, then twin prime is equal to twin two prime numbers with the difference of 2. Example here 3 and 5. 3 is prime and 5 is prime. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Exact difference is 2. So it is twin prime. We get answer is 2. Then when we take two primes, then we have to subtract it. When we subtract it, we get 2. Then they are called as twin primes. Complex number. A complex number is a number of the form a plus b by ba, where a equal to real part. Here we know real plus imaginary equal to complex numbers. A is the real part and b is imaginary part. So example 3 plus 2y, 5 minus 1. These are complex numbers. Thank you.